This dome offers to revolutionize your backyard into a contemporary paradise, as claimed by its makers. Let's delve into the specifics. The dome spans 9.6 square meters and can hold up to 12 individuals. Crafted from polycarbonate, it boasts exceptional durability, being 200 times tougher than glass. Its ingenious design ensures protection against snow, rain, and winds, reaching speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. With a lifespan of over 10 years, its appearance remains fresh, owing to the UV-protected polycarbonate panels. Setting up the dome solo takes about 4 hours, aided by the included assembly tools. Maintenance is hassle-free. A periodic hose watering and wipe down suffice. This dome is priced at around $1,200. The UN's May 2023 report indicated that globally, there were around 110 million refugees and people displaced within their own countries, a number surpassing the entire population of Germany. In response, companies worldwide are tackling the challenge of providing suitable accommodations for this vast population. One promising solution involves foldable shelters that combine the flexibility of tents with the durability of camping trailers. What's noteworthy is their quick setup in just 11 minutes, requiring no tools, and their ability to comfortably accommodate up to 8 individuals. Moreover, these shelters are adaptable, serving multiple purposes like functioning as medical centers or storage spaces. An additional positive aspect is that for every 11 shelters sold, the manufacturer contributes 1 to refugee camps globally, supporting those in need. The Estonian company Maru certainly excels in ingenuity. Picture a multifunctional trailer that can expand to 3 times its original size. The XL variant of this trailer offers a generous 30 square meters of ample space, adaptable for various purposes, ranging from an office to a barber shop. Internally, it boasts insulation and an advanced Mitsubishi split system, ensuring comfort regardless of extreme temperatures outside, be it a scorching 50 degrees Celsius or a freezing minus 40 degrees Celsius. For seamless and worry-free power, users have the option to incorporate solar panels. Setting up this trailer is a breeze, taking a mere 8 minutes. Starting it up can be done conventionally via a button or conveniently through remote activation using your smartphone. At the office, the Italian team is currently in action. Stefanuto is seen moving in the same direction alongside their adaptable trailer, capable of expanding by 50% of its original size. This setup serves as an ideal solution for impromptu meetings or as a snug workspace for compact remote teams. Additionally, it's furnished with essential amenities such as a sink, shower, and a toilet. Furthermore, it offers room for office essentials like printers, accommodating up to 5 individuals to work comfortably within its confines. Alaska Defense is renowned for creating comprehensive tent camps that serve not only the U.S. military, but also NATO forces and various international groups. Their tents are incredibly versatile, catering to both military and civilian needs. These adaptable tents function as mobile repair bases, hospitals, kitchens, temporary shelters, and even airplane hangars. Available in widths ranging from 2.4 to 46 meters and customizable lengths, they accommodate anywhere from 50 to 5,000 individuals. These tents are durable, lasting approximately 10 years in the field, and storable for up to 20 years. Additionally, Alaska Defense provides all necessary equipment, including heaters and power systems. The creator of the Dutch enterprise Flax Hotels, often hailed as the pioneer of glamping, possesses such extensive experience in the industry that it's rumored even Napoleon once lodged in a Flax hotel. Now let's delve into why these portable accommodations are a sensation at concerts and festivals. To start, 20 suites can be transported in just one truck. A standard suite measures 7.2 square meters and comfortably accommodates 3 to 4 individuals. Each unit comprises 2 distinct rooms with lockable doors, furnished with beds, mattresses, power outlets, and cabinets. What's truly remarkable is the rapid setup. Up to 150 of these mobile hotels can be erected in a single day, depending on the version. The Russian Ministry of Emergency Situations utilizes these specially crafted hangars for aircraft and helicopter maintenance. This particular model boasts impressive dimensions of 40 by 45 by 22 meters, providing ample space, even accommodating a UN-74 airplane. Although setting up this hangar requires a solid 80 hours, it features sizable pneumatic gates measuring 37 by 13 meters, along with essential amenities like heating, lighting, and a fire alarm system. The manufacturing company offers flexibility, capable of constructing hangars for diverse purposes and in various configurations. For example, a customizable gym hangar can be ordered, eliminating the need for a foundation during installation. Moreover, an automatic blower system with intelligent control ensures precise pressure maintenance. The Hungarian company behind this groundbreaking foldable container technology has made significant strides. They showcased these containers at the 2019 World Ski Championships and have successfully sold them in 18 different countries. Easily movable and unfolded with a forklift, the CN10 container occupies 7.2 square meters when fully opened. It includes 5 220-volt outlets, LED lighting, standard plastic doors, and windows. Customers have the option to include air conditioning and heating for larger gatherings. These containers are stackable, allowing for the creation of a compact hotel setup. When it comes to hotels, numerous guests often seek food, beverages, and souvenirs. This is where the ingenious Hungarians step in. They've designed unique retail units. These containers, approximately 6 meters in length, offer ample room for several cooks and vendors to operate comfortably. What's impressive is that assembling and disassembling these units requires only about 10 minutes. A 296 square meter, 2-story house was constructed in just 4 days by the American company Mighty Buildings. Their approach involves robotics and 3D printing, enabling them to work more than 3 times faster than their competitors. Notably, their construction methods generate only 1% of the waste produced by traditional methods. Their high quality is ensured as 80% of their production is automated. Additionally, they offer flexibility in floor plans, facade textures, and house colors to suit individual preferences. The material they use is 5 times stronger than concrete in tension and bending, yet 30% lighter. These durable houses boast a lifespan of over 50 years. Mighty Buildings' success is evident in securing over $100 million in financing. This recent advancement streamlines the setup for concerts or outdoor events, eliminating the lengthy preparation time. A truck now arrives at the venue and seamlessly transforms into a 105 square meter stage without much manual effort. The conversion occurs automatically, needing only minor adjustments by workers like arranging monitors, spotlights, or altering the roof's height from 4.3 to 8 meters. Consequently, a stage setup can be finished in as little as 3 hours. This groundbreaking product originated from China. At the same time, there's another fascinating and more efficient option available from the American company Astra Stages. This portable stage can be set up in an even shorter time frame, ranging from 45 to 60 minutes. With dimensions of 35 square meters, it's ideal for concerts or shows. Additionally, its height can be adjusted between 2.7 and 3.4 meters. When not in use, it conveniently folds into a trailer that can easily be towed away by a pickup truck such as the Ford F-150. Let's discuss the garden structures from Mercier Garden, a British company known for their impressive range. With over 100,000 buildings sent out to customers annually, Mercier Garden caters to various project needs. Whether you're in the market for a spacious summer house measuring 3 by 2.5 meters with expansive windows and French doors, or seeking something for your dog like specialized runs and kennels, they've got you covered. Crafted by skilled artisans, Mercier Garden's constructions primarily utilize FSC-certified wood, ensuring adherence to strict environmental regulations. This certification guarantees that the wood is responsibly sourced, aligning with laws and ecological standards. Thanks to their expert craftsmanship, they offer a reassuring 10-year warranty against rot for structures such as summer houses. The Chinese company PTH functions on an expansive level, with an impressive 50,000 square meters dedicated to production. Renowned for their cost-effective, prefabricated houses, they excel in efficiency. Constructing a standard 40 square meter home merely requires 8 hours, designed for a lifespan of approximately 50 years. These residences boast resilience against earthquakes, winds reaching 250 kilometers per hour, and heavy snowfall. What's additionally enticing is their extensive selection of furniture, perfectly curated to complement these homes, offering an array of options including beds, nightstands, tables, sofas, and more. When it comes to being well-liked, did you hear that Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, resides in a simple 37 square meter modular residence? This detail has become a selling point for numerous modular home vendors. For example, a Chinese company promotes their homes by likening them to Musk's, providing different dimensions and designs, including a 37 square meter house with 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, kitchen, and living room. Let's conclude by discussing these inflatable structures. They're marketed in different ways. Some are advertised as party tents, while others are promoted as retail units, warehouses, or exhibition centers. However, most models offer similar advantages. Finally, they can be set up quickly. For instance, a versatile inflatable hangar covering 134 square meters can be assembled in just about an hour. Secondly, there's no requirement for specific foundation preparations. Thirdly, these structures are suitable for various climates, with many models designed to handle temperatures ranging from -45 to +55 degrees Celsius.